Now in this video tonight, we're going to talk about the new mobile mobile YouTube studio, the new the new mobile YouTube studio setup. It's an app, it's an application that mobile came up. I'm really so excited about this app. This is an app this is something that mobile people who are using mobile, who are using YouTube on mobile, it's something that they needed. They really needed this because YouTube, only YouTube on the computer, the only on the computer where you had access to the studio, to the YouTube studio. But now mobiles didn't have access to all these other to this whole setup where you go and check your whole analytics, the whole basically and the whole analytics. You have it there, the whole YouTube. And I'm so excited. This thing just recently came out and not a lot of people know about it. I just want to show you here quickly on my mobile and see how exactly how to go about it. Now if you're on a mobile and you're a creator, you're a YouTube creator, and you don't have a laptop, you don't have a computer, but you do all your work on YouTube. Now YouTube came up with an app, a mobile studio, a mobile YouTube studio app or setup that you need to download. You need to download it. It's separate. You download it and then you put it on your phone. Then eventually you start when you're in your YouTube, inside your YouTube, you go into studio and then you open and you see all your analytics. I'm going to show you how it is. I'm really so excited about this. And when I really found about this, I was busy scratching. Nobody told me about this. I never knew that it came out recently. As I was busy scrolling about with my tutorials, I'm busy scrolling and scratching into the mobile because I hardly use mobile. I'm always on computers. I hardly touch my mobile. So things are coming up. Things are coming up on the mobile side, and we've got no idea because we're always spending time on our computers. So now, when you go to your YouTube, let's open up here the YouTube. Where is YouTube? I'm super pumped right now. So when you open the YouTube, you go to your avatar right there on top, and then you click on YouTube Studio. So then it will take you to open this window here where it says install. It says install. Now we didn't cell phones. Now this is something new that people really don't know about it yet. It's not so big, it's so little, it's just a few megabytes. So you just say install and then it installs. Let's see how big it is. It's quite tiny. There it is. It's just 7 megabytes. Just 7 megabytes. It's just a very tiny little studio app that you just attach onto your YouTube channel. Then you start getting all the analytics. You start seeing how much watch hour time that you have, and all of those. For those who want to monetize, now go ahead and open. For those who want to monetize and you've got no idea how much watch time you have, this is now the best. Okay, it says something went wrong. So just keep clicking. Let's say get started. It says you try another account. So it will still keep giving you that. It hasn't yet settled in properly. So then there we go. There we are in. We are in now. Do you see now on the YouTube studio what it does? It shows you all the analytics here. It shows you the watch time that you have on this watch the minutes now on this channel here that is on here. I've got almost 6,000 subscribers, 6K subscribers, 7.3K watch time, and the views are 10K views. Subscribers that I have the subscriber change that I recently added, 1.4K that I got recently, that was in the last week. This you estimated a revenue if you are monetizing on this channel. I turned off the monetization. I'm not monetizing on this channel, but it will show you here how much revenue you have. Can you view more? If you view more, it's gonna take you more into more about look. It shows you the biggest video, the top video, most videos that are really crushing it and making it within the 48 hours. This is your estimated views within the 48 hours. This is like hectic. This is super hectic right here. You've got the watch time, your watch time here. It will show you the last 28 days you had 7K, and then it will tell you the views in your last 7. You see, this is analytics that only on the computers. The only computers had access to these subscribers. Can you see all of this? Your revenue here, your estimated revenue the last 28 days. It will show you all the analytics. So now if you're on a mobile device, you've got now all the privileges to see and look at. Basically, YouTube has given you all the look at your likes the last 28 days, 95%, and the previous period. So you see, you'll have access to all of this here. Top videos, the video that is on the top videos that are you busy crushing it. You have them, all of them there. So you will see here, you'll move to your revenue. You'll see your estimated revenue. You'll see all of it there. So you basically have the whole of YouTube. You have it right in your hand, in your palms, like these ad types, the types of ads that you get, the types of the top earning videos that are earning videos on your channel, the top countries by CPM. You see, uh, look here, discovery impression. You can see literally you have your whole channel right here on your mobile. Traffic source type, this is where now you see where your traffic source comes. Say from YouTube. YouTube, now this is a tab that really can help you. This can help you to do your keyword research, to know exactly where your traffic source comes from YouTube. So you select YouTube, and then you'll see that direct on unknown is 26%. Other YouTube features, playlist page. If those people who viewed on your playlist page, it's 6%. On the channel page, it's 6%. Playlist external from outside, maybe if they came in from WhatsApp or from Facebook, that is 2%. Browse feature, suggested videos that have been suggested on your sidebar, on the sidebar, it's 1.3% on this channel. So notifications, those who got notifications and watched from notifications is 0.3%. So you look, you have all of it here, all of it here. Now, if you go back, you see your audience, where your audience comes from. Look, your audience, most of this is male. Mine is male, most of it, and then female is 20%, while male is 79%. The age, you will see the age. People who view my channel, most of them are between 18 years old and to 24, and then 37% is 25 to 34, and then 19% is 35 to 44, and then 45 to 54 is only 4.9. 65, I've got 0. This here you get to see everything, interactive count. Look, people that interact on your channel. Look here now. People who interact mostly is between 18 to 24. Here you see everything, basically how to handle relationships. Those are the cards. Now, okay, these are playlists. It will show you how your playlists are working and how everything is working, how many people view, how your playlists, which playlists are working more. So basically now this studio app is something that you really need. You really need to get this for yourself. If you're a creator who works on your mobile, you really need to get this. This is something new that just came out recently, and you really need to get this. So now, if you're really super pumped about this, make sure that you touch the subscribe button there if you want to see more of things that can punk you in a super way, and get and learn new things that I'll discover for you more and more. Make sure that you touch the bell button so that you can receive a notification whenever I upload a message, a video to deliver for you so that you can get updated on these things. And also make sure that you like this video, share it for other people to also learn about these tricks of YouTube that people didn't know about. My name is Israel again, and I want you to keep coming back and back for more video tips. Bye bye.